If Steam is showing error 500 or a similar connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy fix that often solves the problem in just a few minutes. This method is simple, safe, and perfect if Steam is acting up, failing to connect properly, or giving you errors while trying to load downloads or store pages. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right into first. Open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner and click Steam. This opens the main menu where you can access the settings you need. From the menu, click Settings. The Settings window is where Steam keeps all of its important options, including download and cache controls. Next, on the left side, go to the Download section. This area controls downloading behavior, cache data, and other network-related settings. Now look for the button that says Clear Download Cache. Click it carefully and Steam will prompt you to confirm the action. Clearing the download cache can help fix corrupted temporary files that may be causing the error 500 issue. It's one of the most effective first steps when Steam is not working properly. After you confirm, Steam will clear the cache and may ask you to sign in again. That is completely normal. Once the process is finished, close Steam fully and restart it. Make sure you reopen Steam after a fresh restart so the changes can take effect properly. After Steam restarts, try loading your library, store, or download page again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this simple cache reset fixes the problem right away. If the error still shows up, you can try the same steps one more time carefully, making sure Steam has fully closed before reopening it. This fix is especially useful because it does not delete your games, and it does not remove your account. It simply clears temporary download data that can become stuck or corrupted. So if you were worried about losing anything, you can relax. This is a safe troubleshooting step. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix Steam error 500 by clearing the download cache and restarting Steam. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Steam troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.